This is Dr. Mariana Prescott, reporting medical examiner for the coroner's office. I'm recording my preliminary remarks on decedent Dariush. External examination, well-developed, well-nourished 22-year-old white male with no signs consistent with blunt force or penetrating trauma or any other lesions. I will now proceed with a Y incision in the subject's chest. Lymph nodes within normal limits. Thyroid within normal limits. Airway free of blood or foreign material. Lungs, 920 grams combined. Liver, 1,761 grams. Kidneys, 304 grams combined. None of the organs aforementioned show signs of laceration, pulpification, or any palpable masses. Wait, did I weigh the heart? Oops, I didn't. All right, so back to the heart. It appears that the subject's heart seems to have been removed. There is no heart in the subject's chest. Wait, what? With no apparent signs of any sort of incisions predating this autopsy, how the fuck is the heart missing?